Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Dodge Ram 1500 battery. First, prioritize your safety by wearing protective eyewear and gloves. Make sure your truck is completely off and the parking brake is firmly set. You'll need a few basic tools, including a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal cleaner, and a wire brush. The battery is usually found under the hood, often on the passenger side, ready for access. Now let's disconnect the old battery safely. Always start with the negative terminal, which is usually marked with a minus sign. Use your 10mm wrench to loosen the nut, then carefully remove the cable and tuck it away so it doesn't accidentally touch anything. Next, do the same for the positive terminal, marked with a plus sign. Once both cables are free, unfasten any hold-down clamps or straps securing the battery in place. With the old battery out, it's time for the new one. First, take a moment to clean the battery tray and the terminal clamps using your wire brush and terminal cleaner. This ensures a good connection. Carefully lower the new battery into the tray, making sure it sits securely. Reattach the hold-down clamp or strap to keep it firmly in place. Then, connect the positive cable first, followed by the negative cable, tightening both securely. Before you're all done, let's do a quick final check. Make sure both the positive and negative terminal connections are very tight and secure. You can also apply a thin layer of anti-corrosion grease to the terminals for added protection. Just double-check that you haven't left any tools in the engine bay. Finally, start your Dodge Ram 1500 to confirm the new battery is working perfectly. You've successfully changed your battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.